thanks for joining me again for another crafty video. Today I'm going to make an Easter themed picture. Here are some of the things you will need. Some plain blue paper. White would probably also work, but that's just going to make the background. Some green paper. Really we just need a couple of strips, and I'll show you what you're going to do with those in a minute. Any other colour paper to form the base of our eggs. I've just chosen yellow, obviously some glue and a texter, and some scissors. And what I'm going to use to decorate some eggs is just some washi tape. So I think I might go with those two together. I think they look pretty nice together. Alright, so first thing I'm going to do is just have a go at drawing my egg shape. Now this is just to give me an idea, so if I don't go quite as perfect as I'd like, I can fix it. Yeah, see, I think maybe that side could probably just come down a bit. That will be good. Smooth that out a bit. Alright. Now the reason I've just drawn that is just so I know how far the tape needs to go. Hopefully, excellent, look at that. Actually, I'll probably leave it like that. Yep. There. I can see through. You might not be able to on the camera, but I can just enough to see where my rough egg shape is, so I know how much tape to pop on. Alright, so I'm going to pop some bits down, some pink first. And this time I'm going to do a bit of a diagonal pattern. Now, you could do pretty much any pattern you would like. Let's go a little bit wider. I probably only need one more little bit down the bottom, so I can see my egg is just here. I space that out about the same. And then I'll use my blue with the stars. If I can find the end, there it is. Alright, and I'm just going to put those straps in between. Still letting a little bit of yellow through. And you'll probably see why when I put them together with the other eggs I've already done. Let's see. Because then it just gives one colour that's common on all of my eggs. Just to bring it together a bit. Alright, so that's all I'm going to need. So I'll flip that over. Cut around my egg shape nice and quickly. And see, so I'm cutting inside that black line, so it won't show up in my picture either. So that's good. And if I flip it over, there we go. There's my little egg with the stripy sticker pattern. Okay, so I'm going to show you. These are the two that I have done previously with a little bit of grass down the bottom. So I'm going to pop this one. Now, I haven't glued my grass down yet, and that's because I want to actually kind of slot it in between a bit, because I want some to pop in front and some to pop behind. There we go. That should do it. And I'll tip it a bit on the side before I glue it down. Actually, I think I might even bring that one in front. There we go. Alright, so then I can glue that egg in place. Now what I want to do next is just add another layer to my grass with a different colour green. Actually, that one still could be a little bit thick. Give it a quick trim. Alright, now the easiest way of cutting all of those little triangles out, I found, was actually to fold it into quarters so that you have to do only a quarter of the cutting. So I've just folded that piece, and then I'm just going to go along and cut some little triangles out. And they can be all different shapes because, of course, grass is not perfect by any means. And I might even cut this one a little bit lower down, so I chop a bit more grass off the top there. Oh, there we go. All right, and quickly finish across go. And might just do one more big snip. Just, oops, sorry, bumped the camera. Okay, and then we unfold it. And I'll be able to glue that across there as well. Alright, and then there is a cool little Easter picture of some of those yummy Easter eggs hiding in the grass. I hope you enjoyed today's craft activity, and you can have a go with all sorts of things around your house. If you can't find any of the washi tape at home, you could always just use some textures to decorate or draw your own patterns on there. Okay, thanks for joining me. Remember, you can find me on Instagram at Stories on the Screen or on my YouTube channel at Stories on the Screen. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. You can also comment down below if there's any more craft activities you'd like for me to try for you. Thanks guys, I'll see you next time.